What's up, everybody? It's December 24th, 2024, and it is 5:12 p.m. Somebody just lost their shoe. I guess they were running and their shoe fell off. Pretty funny. Okay, so slippers, I guess it looked like. So yeah, it's 5:12 p.m., 33 degrees, if you can see that. And it doesn't feel that cold because it's not windy or anything. But yeah, it's December, so. But it's Christmas Eve, so yeah, everybody's in the festive mood. And there's some people out here tonight. So I was right in the area, so I wanted to stop by here because I had a little bit of time. So let's walk around here a little bit. We're at the Freedom Plaza. This is one of our main spots here on the channel at the H-Mart right now. H-Mart. So we're gonna walk around the H-Mart, check out here, see how it is. Yeah, we'll go inside the H-Mart. Let's go. If there's any copyright music, I'll have to talk over it or muffle the microphone. So if that's what you hear, muffled microphone, that's why. Okay, yeah. Not that busy in there tonight. We come here on the weekend. Wow, it's packed, this place. This is the best place in this area to do like vlogs and all that. Walk videos, as I call them. But yeah, it's so awesome here. But I was right in the area, so I wanted to stop by and do a little video. So let's walk around a little bit here. So this is basically like a Koreatown. It's Chinatown and Koreatown put together. This spot right here is the most busiest place in this area for the Korean restaurants and everything. But let's check this out. We got a Christmas tree here at the Boom Boom Chicken. Super cool, nice little Christmas tree. Yeah, that's the Boom Boom Chicken. It's okay, I had it before, it's good. It's pretty good chicken. Leave a comment if you guys had any Boom Boom Chicken and if you like it or not. I think it tastes, it's not bad. It's not bad chicken at all. It's pretty good, pretty good. There's a soul chicken here that's really great, as I was showing in a video of the 99-cent ranch, which is nearby here. But yeah, it's so different right now from like a Sunday here or a Saturday, especially Sunday, but yeah, Saturday too. Wow, there's a nice tree. Let's take a look at this Christmas tree. Very cool. It's not real busy in here, but maybe we'll walk around real quick. Wow, it smells really good in there. I've actually never ate there before, but that place is always really busy. And I'll tell you the name of it. It's the Happy Lamb Hot Pot. And I think I've Happy Lamb Hot Pot. I'm pretty sure I've seen that in New York City too. The Happy Lamb Hot Pot. There's a P missing. So it says a Happy Lamb Hot Pot because there's a P missing. But yeah, you know what I mean. Very popular place there. We have the hair salon here. People getting their hair did. Getting their hair done. Or whatever, haircut. However you say it. Icy melon.
What do you get your hair done?
There's a few people in here. Let's check it out. There's a Christmas tree. It's hard to go in here, but I'm gonna try to get a picture of the Christmas tree. Nice Christmas tree there. Like, it's hard to go in there unless you're eating. Like, I don't know if they let people in. Usually they have somebody waiting to bring people in if they want a table, that kind of thing. So they're opening up the top over here, this top part in this building. So we got Woo's Fish House and we got a Crab House. And those are brand new. So, yeah, it's been a little while since I've been here. Maybe a month and a half, 2 months, maybe a month and a half, about a month maybe. Or so. Okay, so this one's closed. This restaurant here. So there's nothing going on this side. That's Tasty Moments, the Tasty Moments restaurant. You see the sign over here. You got the Boom Boom Chicken, the Tasty Moments. See the restaurants, the Beam Dental and the bank. See CTBC. So let's take a walk over here. See what's going on in this building. You got the Korean Beauty store here. It's open. There's restaurants over here. I think it's the Mango right here. This one. They always look at me funny when I come in here with the camera, though. They're a little nervous. I don't know. You know what I mean? But it's okay. It's not that busy. I'm not going in there. But you can see how it is. It's cool. But yeah, we missed the Mango. Yeah, we've been in there a bunch of times. They don't always, but there was one time they looked at me crazy. Like, whoa, there's a camera? Like that. Oh, this is a cool Christmas tree in here. Wow. This is a cool Christmas tree. Oh, wow. Look at the picture. Look at that nice tree. I like that tree. Very cool. Just getting a picture of the tree. Nice tree. I like it. I might do a little YouTube. Oh, very cool. Let me pause this video. I'm going to do a little YouTube vlog. Okay, I did a little YouTube video there of that one. So that's the low Vietnam cuisine. Low. Yeah, so let's walk around a little bit here. Chao Poke. C-I-A-O-P-O-K Oak. Chao Poke. Okay. The Korean Beauty store. Not many people in there. So yeah, it's Christmas Eve, so some places are busy, some aren't. But it's chilly out, pretty chilly, so people want to be at home. This is the central New Jersey area. That's where we are, central New Jersey. It's the New York City metropolitan area, technically, so we're not far from New York City. Not super close, but not far. It's about from here, I think it's about 30 miles maybe. Not too far. Manhattan. I'm talking about Manhattan. So I'm like in this area pretty much. So I'm in the middle of New Jersey, New York, PA, like the Jersey Shore. I can get to there. I can get to the city. So it's kind of cool. I'm in the middle here. So for this channel, it's not a bad thing. It just takes a little time to get some places. And there's tolls and all these things that you got to deal with when you're going from one state to another around here. So I get out there as much as I can. The more subscribers we get here, if you enjoy this content, like and subscribe. And the more the channel grows, the more content in New York City that we can do. And we're doing enough. We're doing some. We're trying to get more coming. But yeah, this YouTube thing, it takes time. It takes time to build it. It's a simple business, but like no business is easy. Every business has something. You know what I mean? But it's a simple business. You just point your phone and you got a video going and you got a business going, for the most part. But see, yeah, they're building another one here. So this one's in the works. It's the same as that one. So yeah, that one's coming soon. There's a double-decker. Same, like the same exact layout of the other one. But yeah, this is such a happening place. Oh man, in the summertime, wow. This place is amazing. It's like a New York City in a way, in a little mall, in a little spot here. It's like a Chinatown. It is a Chinatown. Edison is technically like a Chinatown. So it is a Chinatown. So you got Edison Chinatown here, and it's Koreatown. So it's both right here. Yeah, there's Edison is a lot of Chinese, like Asian, Indian. It's a mix, but there's a lot of Asian. So this is such a great place. So if you're in the area here, check it out. Freedom Plaza. It's really cool. We got the H Mart. I call it the HE Mart. That's just the way I call it, the HE Mart. But yeah, we got there's birdies and laddies up there. Indoor golf cafe. Wow. That's very interesting. That's the last thing I would think that was going to go there. But I can see it actually doing well here. On a Sunday, people come here to get some, their golf on. Maybe those are, there's Top Golf nearby, so maybe that's something that's up and coming. It's possible. Okay, everybody, well, enjoy your holidays if it's Christmas while you're watching this. If not, then enjoy your day, your night, whatever holiday it is, whatever day, whatever it is. So, peace.